Jai Gurudev everyone. Today the poem I am going to explain is 365. As you all know what is 365? 365 is the number that we are having, number of days in a year. Okay. Now when we are doing this unit, the unit name is sport. So what this regarding 365? This is about the poet who is saying that he loves sport 365 days. As you all, आप सभी को पसंद है ना 365 days स्पोर्ट्स खेलना. नाउ यहाँ जो पोएट है उसे बेसबॉल खेलना बहुत पसंद है. ठीक है. सो वो क्या बोल रहा है? When someone asks you your favorite sport and you answer baseball in a blink, means within a second आप reply क्या करते हो? Baseball. There are certain qualities you must possess and you are more attached than you think. In the frozen grip of winter, I am sure you'll agree with me. Not a day goes by without someone taking baseball to some degree. The calendar flips on New Year's Day, the Super Bowl comes and it goes. Get the other sports out of the way. That is, जो बेसबॉल है ये एक ऐसा स्पोर्ट है जो आपको 365 डेज इन अ ईयर खेल सकते हैं. वो चाहे समर हो, चाहे विंटर हो, चाहे कितना भी फ्रोजन कोल्ड हो, ही इज़ ऑलवेज रेडी टू प्ले बेसबॉल. Further he is saying that the green grass and the fever grows. It's time to pack a bag and take a trip to Arizona or the Sunshine State. Perhaps you can't go, but there's the radio. So you listen, you root, you wait. They start the campaign, pomp and pageantry reign. He's saying that जब बहुत ठंड होती है और स्पोर्ट्स बंद हो जाता है, आप क्या सोचते हो? टू पैक योर बैग एंड गो टू एरिजोना और टू एनी अदर प्लेस जहाँ बहुत अच्छा सनशाइन हो, दैट इज़ हीट मिले आपको उस फ्रोज़न चिलिंग कोल्ड से. एंड यू वेट टिल द ओपनिंग डे. ओपनिंग डे मीन्स जब ये स्पोर्ट्स खेला जाता है. फ्रॉम अप्रैल टिल फॉल यू फॉलो द बाउंसिंग वाइट बॉल. योर टीम इज़ सेट टू गो ऑल द वे. They fall short of the series. You have a case of the wearies and need a break from the game. And when the Christmas bells jingle, you feel that old tingle. And you are ready for more of the same. It will be hot dogs for dinner. 6 months of heaven, a winner. अब वो बोल रहा है ये गेम जब अप्रैल स्टार्ट होती है तब खेला जाता है. और ये कैसे, इसके एक्सेसरीज़ क्या क्या है? यू हैव टू वियरीज. ओके, ये पिक्स बना हुआ है यहाँ पर. ये बेसबॉल बैट है, ये बॉल है और ये ग्लव्स है. ये तब तक खेला जाता है एंड विदाउट अ ब्रेक आप इसको खेल सकते हो. कब तक? जब तक क्रिसमस बेल जिंगल होता है. व्हेन डू क्रिसमस बेल रिंग्स? Yes, in the month of December. Yes, baseball has always been it. You would amaze all your friends if they knew to what ends. You would go for a little old hit. The best times you have had have been with your mom and your dad, and a bat and a ball and a glove. For the first time you played till the last time you prayed. It's been a simple matter of love. That means whether you are with friends, whether you are with your parents और the 6 month, वो 6 month जब ये गेम खेला जाता है, the poet is saying that this is the best time of my life when I play this game. Whether you are sitting with your mother or your father, or you might have taken the bat in your hand for the first time, or many times you had played, every time you will love the game. Which game? The baseball. Okay? Jai Gurudev.